How to trade in Pokemon Go from far away. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to trade in Pokemon Go from far away. To trade in Pokemon Go from far away, you will need to use a third-party method like spoofing your location, which is against the game's terms of service and can result in a ban. However, if you're still interested in trading remotely, here's how you can set up an account and get started with the game. First, open the Pokemon Go game on your mobile device. If you're new to the game, you will need to create an account. Select your date of birth and tap on Continue. You can also choose to continue using your Apple, Facebook, or Google account. Alternatively, you can opt for Pokemon Trainer Club. Tap on Create an account, then select your country and region. Enter your date of birth and tap Continue. Next, enter your email address, check the necessary boxes, and tap Continue to finalize the setup. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.